Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the remote access feature in FDM. With this feature, you'll be able to use your phone to control your PC, just the FDM software on your PC, and you can use it to download anything you want. Okay, so to get started, you need to open up the software on your PC, and then you come up here, click this, click Preferences, then click Remote Access. So enable it from here, and it should generate a password for you and an ID. Your ID doesn't normally change, but you can change your password by clicking here. So just wait for a while for this to change to OK. It may take around 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, it's done. So this has now been set up. So next thing you want to do is to head over to your phone, open up the app, tap on the three lines at the top left, and then tap Connect to Remote FDM. So this is going to show up. Here you're going to enter the ID on your PC. After entering your ID, tap OK. FDM is going to restart. So next thing is the password, but just wait for a while for the app to connect to your PC. Also, you don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network to use this feature. You can be out, and if you want to download maybe a heavy file, then you can use your phone. Okay, now it is asking for the password. I'm going to enter the password. I'm not hiding the password because I'll be changing it after I'm done with this video. Okay, after entering the password, tap Remember so that you don't always have to enter the password. Okay, then tap OK. So just give it some time for it to connect. It may take a few seconds before it gets connected. Alright, so it is done. It has now been connected. The annoying thing is that it doesn't say anywhere on the software, like on your PC, that there's a device connected. But anyways, now I'm just going to go back here. Okay, so let's say I want to download something, but I don't want it downloaded on my device. I want it downloaded on my PC. So with the remote access feature enabled, I can just tap on what I want to download. All right, so as you can see, it is now downloading on my laptop, and I can control this from my phone. So let's say I wanted to pause the download. I'll just tap the pause button, and you can see on my PC it has also been paused. If I can resume the download, and it is and as you can see on my PC it is working. Okay, so it is done downloading, and remember, this is not being downloaded to my phone, or this was not downloaded to my phone since it is completed. I can't find this file anywhere on my phone, but it is on my PC. So I can delete it from my phone. So if I tap here, I can tap delete file. And if I tap OK, you'll see that it is gone from my PC. What I'll do is I'll download it again. And after it is done, I can tap here and I can rename it if I want. I can remove it from the list, which means that it will not be deleted, but it will be removed from my download history. All the options you see here will reflect on your PC. You can also use this for torrents. I basically use it when I want to download heavy files so that I don't fill up my phone space, since my PC has more space compared to my phone. So yeah, that's how you use the remote access feature in FDM. If you ever want to disconnect, just tap here and tap disconnect. FDM is going to restart, and you can see now that you'll have to reconnect to it again if you want to use it. And this time it will keep the ID and the password, since we tapped remember password, and it's going to do the reconnection thing again so that you'll be able to download stuff using your PC instead of your phone. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.